Are you still struggling to make money online? Did you know that an estimated of 97% of people fail to make any type of money online? In fact, if this is your case, you can probably relate to this sense of constant frustration. Well, here are the good news. There are a few ordinary people, just like you and me, who knows a simple but very effective formula that when you apply it correctly, it generates thousands of dollars each month. And just by focusing on this one task and with nothing but an internet connection and a laptop. Hey, my name is Robin Palmer and I'm from Sweden, and I've been doing this since 2019, and I've earned thousands in sales, not only from my products, but also as an affiliate marketer. And that's what I want to share with you. This is my journey. In this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step formula that I've used since 2019. In fact, it's so easy, it has only two simple elements. And you can add a little bit more if you want to, but this is the core system that I use. And here you can see some of the results that I've been getting. For example, as you can see here on the screen, $1,479.42 in combined revenue. And this is from just one product. Now, I'm also making recurring sales. As you can see here, $610. Not too long ago, I had just moved back to Sweden and I desperately needed a way to earn an income, because I was literally at my lowest point in my life. My brain and my whole body were conspiring against me. So I knew I couldn't get a normal job. I had to do something else. So I did what I've been doing for the last couple of years. I created a simple product using a system I call the Igniter method. Now, as I mentioned earlier, this contains just two very simple elements, and I believe you can replicate this. As you can see here, here are some of the stats that I have been generating, the amount of money that I have been generating from sales from products of my own. However, the big problem is that when it comes to create simple products like this one, most of us just don't know what to do or which steps to follow. Everything sounds good, but you probably feel it's too complicated. What we need is a way to just fill in the blanks. We need a template to follow that doesn't require us to come up with everything from scratch, or that will totally break the bank. Well, the good news for you is I recently documented everything I did, how I did it, the templates, and the free software that I used that lets anyone, regardless of experience or skill, create simple products. But it's very easy to do, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it works. Now, you don't need any background in sales. You don't need to be an expert copywriter without having a sexy product to sell. As I mentioned, this is gonna let anyone, regardless of experience or skill, create a product without needing to be on camera. I present to you my product called Igniter. This is a brand new product which shows you how you can get started making money online by creating a product fast in 7 to 14 days. Now here's what you're going to discover. You're going to learn how to crank out simple profit pulling products in 7 to 14 days, even if you've never created anything in your life. You're also going to discover the step-by-step formula to produce cash-producing ideas, even if you're the most non-creative person on earth. You're also going to learn how to drive tons of highly targeted traffic for free, even if you have failed at making money online before. And you're also going to discover how to use free or low-cost resources to create your product, even if you are on a tight budget. Now, imagine being able to create a simple product in 7 to 14 days that can sell anything you want. Imagine having the ability to generate thousands on demand each month. Imagine finally having enough money to scale it as big as you want. Imagine having affiliates line up to sell your stuff because your offers sell so well. Now, I also want you to imagine feeling like you're finally in control of your income online. Plus, when you purchase the Igniter method today, I'm gonna throw in the following bonuses completely free. And this includes one of my best products called Gateway. Now, this product gonna show you how to rank on YouTube. But I'm also going to give you the supercharged version, which shows you how to rank YouTube videos in 24 hours. You're also going to get this additional bonus, which is called YouTube Supremacy. And this bonus is going to teach you how to go from 500 to 5,000 per month on YouTube by building authority YouTube channels. Plus, my arsenal of custom bonuses to skyrocket your results. So what are you going to get here? First of all, the Igniter method, which I'm teaching you here today, which you are going to get here today, is valued at $997. The Gateway, which includes the supercharged version, costs $997. The YouTube Supremacy bonus costs is valued at $497. And my arsenal of bonuses, which has helped me convert thousands of sales, is valued at $697. So the total value of this is almost $3,000, as you can see here. But this is only going to be as this for the next 5 days. But you can get it all today for just one payment of $9.97. So you want to check the button below and you want to grab this crazy offer today. As you can see here, you're getting all of this. Instead of paying $2,988, you're only going to pay $9.97. Plus, I have a 30 days money back guarantee that if for whatever reason you don't like the front-end product, you just have to let me know and I'm gonna send you a refund without questions asked. So you don't have to worry about that. Now, once again, check this special offer, check the button below. And this is what you're getting. You're getting crazy results fast. You're also gonna get a product that will make you look insanely credible to others. You're also going to learn how you can make instant profit and sales. Well, at least in 7 to 14 days. Plus, how to gain true freedom. And one of the most important things, to control your income. Now, once again, you want to check the button below before this offer ends. Warning though, you need to act fast. That's the reason I'm inviting you today to check this out below. Now, you might have a couple of questions and I'm going to answer those. Like, for example, how do I access the product? Well, this product is digital. So once you access this through WarriorPlus, once you have purchased this, you're going to get automatic access to this product, which is digital. Now, the next question you might ask yourself is, who is this course for? Well, if you've never done any money online, or if you have made a little bit, this is for you. If you don't have any skills, any experience, you're going to learn everything inside this course on how to actually create a dependable, constant, regular monthly income. What else do I need? That's another question. Well, basically, I'm going to show you how to get started with free resources or very, very cheap resources. But if you want, you can actually start with free resources. So you don't need anything else besides what you're going to learn inside this product. Now, how long does this take? Well, as I mentioned, I'm teaching you how you can do this in 7 to 14 days. But of course, you can do this at your own pace. If you need a little bit more time, you can do that as well. The important thing is that you learn it well. However, the learning curve is very, very little. So that being said, once again, this is everything you get. You get the Igniter product, you get the Gateway YouTube ranking course, and the supercharged version to rank your videos in 24 hours, the YouTube Supremacy course, which shows you how to build high authority channels, and my arsenal of custom bonus, which is responsible for tons and tons of sales. And as I mentioned, this is a total value of almost $3,000, but you can get this for just $9 today if you click the button below. But remember, this is a limited time offer. So go ahead and do that right now. Hey, what is up? This is Robin Palmer, and this is a short overview of the Igniter method. So basically, this product is divided in 2 sections. So if we go over to the number 1 day setup version. The done for you version is basically gonna be a done for you product that you can start selling today. This is gonna be a done for you product. A done for you is gonna include a done for you video sales letter and all the resources, how to set up everything here, how to set up your free page builder, the done for you sales page, the product that you can sell, and the actual method to generate traffic to this done for you solution. Now you can drive any type of traffic to this, but I have a recommended one, or not recommended necessarily, but the one that I've used, that that I've been getting results with. And the second part is to set up your product in 7 to 14 days, which is basically going to show you free methods of setting up your product. There are going to be some recommendations to some products as well that you can use, which are tools, but you don't need to use them if you don't want to. You can do basically everything here for free. And the first section here is going to show you how to structure your product and how to come up with ideas and where to go to find ideas for your product. The next section is going to be about creating the main training, how to do that, and the type of products that you can create. Then we have the upsells, which is basically going to be about creating the upsells and what type of products you can add here. The welcome video and overview video, I've put it over here because I usually add that at the end when I've created everything here usually, but you might, in your case, it might be a little bit different, but that's just how I do it. Then we have the easy 3-step simple sales letter formula, and you're going to learn how to do that here. There are three things that I'm going to show you, which are essential to get the best results. And I'm going to give you my video sales letter walkthrough example, some slides, templates, and free resources if you want to use those as well, and so on. And then we have this one here, how to build your site for free. I have some done for you templates as well. There's some other options I'm going to show you here, how and where to generate traffic. That video is going to be here. So yeah, that's basically it. I have some resources here as well, free software, free product name generator for coming up with names for your product, done for you bonuses that you can use for your own product, where to create free, fast, high quality e-cover graphics and logos for your product. So that's going to be here. Okay. So if you don't see some of the videos right now, don't worry, I'm updating it, and it's going to be there really soon. So if there's anything, you can reach out to me to robinpalmer.sweden@gmail.com, and I'm going to be happy to get back to you. So hopefully you're going to enjoy the course, and yeah, that's basically what this course is about, and the rest is about taking action. Talk to you soon.